Naghahanap ka ba ng RFO, House and Lot in Imus, Cavite? Baka ito na ang para sa'yo. Located along Aguinaldo Highway, malapit sa SNR and City Mall, Anabu. Sa labas ay meron tayong pocket gardens. Pagpasok ay isang malawak na living area. This is the maid's room or guest room, complete with cabinets, and this is the toilet and bath. The kitchen area